Okay, yes. Welcome back to my channel to another video, to another story. A very emotional story, sad story, painful story that I saw in this country, South Africa. Okay, once upon a time, I was in this country by the name South Africa for a lot of years. I was there. I saw a lot of things. I heard a lot of stories in that country. I want to talk about crime in this video. You saw the video title, to do with the crime, talking about crime and these nationalities, these people from these two countries. So when I was there in South Africa, whenever I had the issue of crime, or when I was reading on the internet, on the news, on television, watching television, and I saw the news, there's always two nationalities associated with a criminal activity or a crime scene in South Africa until it got to a point whereby I was so like, ha, what's wrong with these two nationalities that are always involved in crime or associated with the crime in South Africa? These Malawians and Mozambicans, people from Malawi, people from Mozambique. Right now, I'm at a point whereby I know if I read the news on the internet, I read the news by watching television, even hearing on the radio stations to do the crime or criminal activities in South Africa, I will know by default that either a Malawian is involved or maybe a Mozambican, people from Malawi or people from Mozambique. But now I got a question: why is it like that? Why? Why Malawi people are always involved in crime in South Africa? Why people from Mozambique, Mozambicans, are involved in criminal activities in South Africa? Why? What is the reason? How does it happen? Why? Why is it like that? I want you to do your own study, your own research to, in terms of what I'm saying, in regard to what I'm saying. Maybe you think maybe I'm lying. Maybe you think I'm trying to make a story. Maybe you think I'm trying to fabricate a story. Maybe you think I'm trying to cook a story against these people, Malawians or Mozambicans. But I want you to do your own research, your own study in terms of the same topic that I'm saying, same subject. Every crime or most of the crimes in South Africa, most of the criminal activities happen in South Africa. Talk of in Johannesburg, in Pretoria, Port Elizabeth, East London, Bloemfontein, Polokwane, Messina, Durban, Cape Town. Most of the crimes, criminal activities, when you assess, when you examine, when you investigate, you see either a Malawian is involved or a Mozambican is involved. Sometimes you can find a Nigerian is involved or a Zimbabwean is involved. But at most times, what I found out, what I realized, what I learned when I was there for a number of years, every time you always hear about a Malawian this, Malawian that, or a Mozambican this, a Mozambican that, on the news, on the TV, on the radio stations. So when I was there, I was always asking myself, why? Why Malawians? Why Mozambican? Why is it like that? Why? And up to now, I don't even an answer. I don't have a response. Up to now, I don't even answer why a Malawian, why a Mozambican, always involved in crime, always involved in criminal activities. It doesn't matter the town or the city or the province in South Africa. When the news will come out on radio, on TV, on the internet, social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, these bad things, this bad stuff happen in South Africa. But you always hear a Malawian is involved. You always hear a Mozambican is involved. But I want to know, I want to ask you, the one who is watching this video or viewing this video, why? From what you understand, from what you know, from what you heard, from what you read, what you studied, what you researched, please tell me why. Always Malawi people, always Mozambique people. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Always Malawi, always Mozambique people. And sometimes, like I said, you can hear about a Zimbabwean, you can hear about a Nigerian, you can hear about a Ghana person, a Ghanaian. But basically, in general, most of the times, it's Malawi or Mozambique people. Malawi or Mozambique people. In the comment section, comments box, please tell me why. Why always Malawi people? Why always Mozambique people? I'm very concerned. Even right now, as I talk to you, I'm talking from pain. I'm talking from a position of great concern, a position of great pain. Why? Why? Why Malawi people? Why Mozambique people? In the comment box, comment section, let's talk about it further. Let's discuss. Okay, sorry, I'd forgotten about something. Sometimes you can hear a Congolese when it comes to Johannesburg, when it comes to Pretoria, Johannesburg, Pretoria, or Midrand. Maybe, yeah, maybe Cape Town a bit, maybe Durban a bit. You can hear about people from Congo, a Congolese woman, Congolese guy, Congolese man, sometimes. But the bottom line is you hear about Malawi people and Mozambique people. Forget about Zimbabweans, forget about Congolese, forget about Nigerians, forget about Ghana people, Ghanaians. Why Malawi? Why Mozambique? Let's talk, let's discuss further in the comment box, comment section. I'll check them out. I'll attend to the comments. From what you know, from what you understand, your knowledge, your understanding, your research or your study that you did, what you read, please fill me in, talk to me. Let's chat in the comment section. Why? In terms of crime, in terms of criminal activities happening in South Africa, no matter the town, no matter the city, no matter the province in South Africa, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.